Welcome to Bookhogs. Today we're going to learn how to write uppercase A. So let's begin. To write uppercase A, start at the bottom, go to the top and back down, then draw a line connecting the two lines you've just drawn, like this. Now let's look at some words using uppercase A. Ant, attic, art, axe, area, If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more videos like this. It really does help. And don't forget to visit Bookhogs for free teaching resources. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.